So hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel CodeVibe. Today I am going to talk about a brand new section, that is Shopify Reels Section, where you can add the video, where you can add the product, where you can add the add to cart button. So guys, this is all about one section where you can add all things, and this is fully customizable. So let's talk about this section, how it's looking. So this is the section which is looking here. This is the reel section. You can see this is the video and the product variant, add to cart button, also quantity selector. So all the information are visible here by one by one. So what is the benefit of this section? I will tell you. First benefit is it grab attention. Video always preferred by the customers. Customer will always see the video first, and after that reading text and videos and images, and it boosts sales. I added a add to cart button in this section. If the customer like this product, he can always easily add the item in the cart and easily buy. So this boost your sales. And its section is fully customizable. You can change title, you can change description, you can change background image, you can spacing by fit your store, you can do anything as you want. You can change video, whatever you can want. It's work on all devices, mobile, tablet, all devices. And the last benefit is show of product. When you add the one video, you can always show the product of that related video. Like you have added, I have added a demo video here, but you will add your own video. Example, for example, if you are selling a t-shirt, you can add a t-shirt videos, and you can add the t-shirt product and the product variants, product quantity selector, add to cart button, title, price, everything. So this is how you can show your products. You can show your latest product on your reel section, so customer will always prefer your this section. And so this is all about this section, and this is the benefit of this section, why we use this section. So let's talk about how we can add this feature on your store, how you can add this feature on your store. So first you have to go your Shopify admin panel. So I'm on my Shopify admin panel. So you have to do one thing. You have to open your code editor. You can see here the three dot in your themes menu. The three dot, you can click on three dot and edit code. When you click on edit code, your code editor will open. So guys, after open your code editor, you have to create a section. So you can see the left in your left side, you can see the all the menu, assets, config, layout, all the folders. And in the section folder, you will click on section. You can see all the sections code file. So you have to create a file here. So you can see the top of the corner, new file you can create here, and you can create a reel section and enter. So guys, you have to rename again dot liquid add, and that's it. So after that, your section is created. Now you have to add here some code. So you can copy the code. So I will copy this code and I will paste here and save. So after save this file, you can open your customizer. So you can see here the third option, you can click and the customize theme. When you click the customize theme, your customizer will open. I already opened my customizer. So you can open your customizer. Guys, also you don't worry, whatever I code who used here, I'll provide this code in the description box. You can click on the my website link and you can get this code. So after open the customizer, you have to add the reel section. So you can click on reels add section and search here reel, and you can see the reel section here. You can add it. When you add this section, after add this section, you can see the some demo text, demo title and description. So you have to delete this, and now you can add as you want your section title, your section description, your paddings, and your background image, whatever you want. And you can add your video and product by adding a add product. So click on add product. When you click on add product, there is the two option, upload video and select product. So first you have to upload your video. I will upload this video and I will select product for that reels. I will select for now this product. So you can see here the video and the product is visible. Same, I will copy this. I will not add, I will copy the same. So I will copy 5 reel section and I will save this. So you can see all the reel section, all the reel blocks and product are visible. You can see the title is visible and add to cart button, quantity selector, everything is working. Now we will preview this customizer. After preview, you can see all the videos are visible, titles, descriptions, and price, variant, add to cart button. You can see and add, you can click on add to cart. This item will add in the cart. You can see here the 12 item. I added a 7 item. You can see I this item will add in the cart. Show you this section in the mobile. So this is fully responsive. You can see the two videos are visible in mobile devices. It auto slides or it's auto slides. Product is showing, so everything is working fine. So this is, and you can also add a background image of this section. So we will add the background image. So for now we'll add this image as background image. We will add the section latest product. We will add a title, latest product. You can add also description. You can set the paddings top bottom, and we will preview this section again. So you can see the background image is visible, title is visible, and always all the thing is working fine. So this is the reel section, what you can add your. So as this is the reel section what you can add on your stores. This is fully free, and if you're facing any issue in this section by and guys, if you are facing any issue of this section in your store adding this, you can contact me. My contact information in the description box and my website link in the description box. You can contact me on my website. So for now, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, like the video and subscribe the channel. Goodbye.